We're back in another glorious day here at the shop. First off, my grill's broken. So I've seen a lot of people talking about this on the internet. My clip's broke. So it's 3 of them. It's the middle 3. So 1, 2, 3. I'm bringing it to the dealer and hopefully they'll replace it. Thought about getting the gloss or begging them for the gloss, but we'll just stick with matte because everything else is matte. But that's not the point of today's video. That's not the premise of today's video. I ended up getting a lip kit, which I've been wanting for a bit of time. Not a ton of options if you're not looking for like a real JDM company to go with. I know that there's a few. I didn't want polyurethane or like just like black. I really wanted carbon fiber. So I did find this one. I believe it's the same as, I think it's Flow of Australia, but I got this one from Extreme Online Store. So I got the front lip and I got the side skirts. For now, I'll probably do the rear spats at some point, but yeah, saved up some pennies for this bad boy and we're gonna put it on today. I think it's gonna look really cool with the other carbon fiber stuff, the new wheel setup. I'm looking forward to seeing how it looks. So here we go. All right, let me be honest. I was not expecting a quality shipping job, if not product, from Extreme Online Store, but this is nice, dude. Let's be real, this is very well packaged compared to a lot of other companies that I've seen prior. I'm gonna unbox this baby and I'll show you what we're working with. So it looks like there's some sort of like composite material, fibrous material, if you will, that's resin bound, and then the front is carbon fiber, but it is not like a full carbon fiber lip, which I'm not bummed out on this. It looks good, fairly flat. There's no like weird like ripples. Please camera work. There's a little bit of one, but it's not horrible. Yeah, up there's not bad. It's just where the shape changes. So it's not bad. It's not bad. I have had a lip like this before, where it's like a 1-ply. It exploded. We'll see how she does, but I don't know. Like I said, the price wasn't like the worst, so I just got to be careful, I suppose. It's more, I guess it's on me at this point. So as mentioned, this was the least expensive carbon fiber lip kit I could find, but on top of that, let me bless you with this promotional code that I found on Google. You can use repurchase to get this for 5% off, which isn't a lot, but hey, 5% off $7.50, let's do it. Hey, how we looking? I think pretty good, dude. Carbon fiber lip is on. Let me show you where it mounted. Yeah, the one-sided. I wish I had like a little bit more of a roll, but she is what she is. So this actually uses the factory 10 mil hardware for parts of it. And then it also comes with some self-tapping screws. I did do the self-tapping screws, just held it a lot more firm. You can see my daughter put some really awesome stickers under my car the last time I was working on it at home. But yeah, it feels quite rigid. It looks awesome. I can't wait to see what it looks like outside of being in the shop here. But let's move on to the side skirts here. So moving on to the side skirts, they were packaged just as nicely as the front lip. And I did just want to go through the hardware because I don't think I did that last time. So this was the front lip here. I actually used all the hardware that I wanted to, so there's a ton extra just for other fun activities. They do give you 3M double-sided adhesive. These are the screws for the side skirts. Let's unpackage these and see what we're working with. All right, dude, that's looking really good. This is also single ply, but I do like that the fact, you can tell I'm looking at the camera when I try to grab something. I like the fact that they have the end caps here. It just gives it, yeah, a cleaner look. So these are 3M'd on right now. They do come with the smaller screws. Kind of a pain in the ass to do it here, but it's a little better than doing it on like the 2-post lift, just because we can get to put these on. I'm gonna crawl under the alignment rack to get the screws in for these. All right, so the lip kit is on. It's looking good. I did wash the car too. Nice. And yeah, I just want to show you guys what it looks like, how it came out, and yeah. Where's my car? Just kidding, it's at the dealership. They just called. They are replacing the grill under warranty, so check your grill. You might have a busted grill, and it sounds like they're gonna replace it for free, so at least I hope so. But anyways, we'll cut some footage that Jordan took before we dropped it off, and when I get it back, I'm sure we're gonna do even more, so check it out. As always, we really appreciate you guys watching the videos, leaving comments below, and subscribing, of course. We will be doing a new product unboxing installation, which is the Racer X Fabrication fender shrouds. Those just got here. I would show you, but that's for another video. So check those out. Check out the other stuff we have on the site. If you guys have any questions about your GR Corolla, tuning, parts, wheels, fitment, stuff like that, hit us up. If you don't have a GR Corolla, that's fine. Look at Kevin. You're tall ass pants. They're like Jack the Beanstalk, boy. Anyways, thanks again. See ya.